Now, let us now study the state of the system. See, we have to realize this, whenever we are doing any thermodynamic study, we cannot take surroundings because that's not possible, because that's almost as infinite. So we take system. Now, whatever the changes will be taking place in that system, to note that changes, in order to have that quantitative aspects of those changes which will be taking place in that system, we need to know the exact state of the system. So we must know first those properties which will help us to define the state of the system, because once we know the state in which it exists, we will do a certain process, we will again find out in what state now it exists, and the difference of the two will give us that what all the changes has taken place, and from those changes we can find out what sort of transformations has taken place. So we need to know, therefore, the most important is how to define the state of a substance. The state of the substance is described with the help of by certain properties which are called state functions. State functions, state variables. What does it mean? See, these are the properties which changes once the state of the substance system is changed. Their values doesn't depend on what path are being followed for that change, because basically their magnitude depends on the state of the system. That is why these are called state variables or state functions. They are also called macroscopic properties, and we include pressure, volume, temperature. These are the certain things which are called the state variables because they get changed with the state of the substance.